Here I have my 2014 Maserati Granturismo. This car has been a great car. Since it was new, it's never had any issues, never had any recalls or warranty work done to it. And I've had it for a year without issues, but I think this time there's something wrong with it, because I'm starting to notice a sound between the engine and transmission. It only does it once the engine is completely warm. So when the engine's cold, it sounds completely normal. So I'm gonna drive the vehicle, get it up to operating temperature. Then I'm gonna lift it up on jack stands, so you'll be able to see and listen to how it sounds with the engine warm versus cold. Right around the bell housing, it's got an inspection cover, so I'm gonna remove it. It's a very small inspection cover, but I'm gonna see if I can pinpoint anything in there. So I have the car on jack stands, and I also have that fan blowing there, just because whenever the fan kicks in, I won't be able to listen to anything. So I ended up removing that inspection cover there by the transmission, and that's kind of where the area seems to be concentrated, somewhere around the transmission. So I had the car sit overnight, so now the engine's completely cold, and when the vehicle's cold, you don't notice that sound. So the issue seems to be only when the engine is completely warm. So yeah, you guys got to listen to it with the engine cold, with the engine warm. It definitely sounds different when the engine's warm. And it doesn't matter if I'm on neutral, reverse, or whatever, it still sounds like that. So I got an appointment next week. I got the local Maserati dealership checking it out. The car is still under warranty, so it's best to just have them look at it, so they'll let me know if it's something I need to worry about. The engine and transmission, they seem to be bulletproof. The car's been out since 2008, and they've got the issues worked out of them now. But that doesn't mean that they're not gonna break down. So I guess I'll see next week what they come up with. I'll make an update video on that. And if anybody's heard or seen something about this, let me know. Post it in the comments, or let me know what you think it could be. It is very strange though, because it is right there by the transmission, and I thought it could be the flywheel, but I actually called the parts department just to see how many they sell, or if they've heard of something like that. They say there was only one flywheel in the entire country. They say that part never gets replaced. So one flywheel for a Granturismo in the entire country, that's was in what was available for stock. I'm very curious on what it could be. Let you guys know next week when I take it up there. They'll let me know what they find out. Anyways, thanks for watching.